Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos here, back with another video, this time another Dutch pour. I was inspired to do these colors by Olga from Smart Art Materials. I love her channel, and she made a couple of gorgeous Dutch pours. Actually, it was a four-piece painting, and I fell in love with the colors and knew I had to try them. So in this one, I'm using the Saks True Flow White, titanium white, and Saks True Flow Ultramarine blue. And the Winsor Newton Galleria Gold. This one was a little lumpy, so I had to strain it. And I'm also using the Folk Art Purple Flash and the Aqua Flash by Folk Art, the both color shift paints. And as I said in my previous video, I'm still working on consistency. So this is the second video where I'm doing a Dutch pour in the same session, same painting session. And I had watered down the paint a little bit more, or thinned it down rather. And I believe I thinned it way too much on this one. So I'm still trying to find that middle ground where it's perfect. But I did like the way this painting came out. And I just want to give a shout out to Rinskadauna, which is where I first saw this technique. And also to Canella, once again, for encouraging me to try the technique. She also does Dutch pours on her channel, and she does some amazing ones as well. Okay, enjoy the video, and if you like it, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And as always, I love comments, so please leave me a comment. And I'm hoping to do more videos now that I have some time off, and I hope you enjoy them. Please let me know if you do. So I just wanted to come back and say that I did something off camera that is worth mentioning. If you notice this lacing right here, that happened because I put some white on top and blew with the straw, and then it separated into this lacing effect. So I'm really curious about it, and I'd like to try it again and see if it happens with other paints, or was it just the shift paints. So it's something worth exploring because I love that effect. So sorry I couldn't do it on camera. I was really just trying to get the piece to a certain point. I tend to over manipulate things sometimes. So, and with the Dutch pour, you're really just supposed to blow it and like leave it alone. But as you can see, I fiddle. But I do love that I fiddled because I wouldn't have ended up with that effect. Okay, see you in the next video.